Grab your pack and your radio. It's time to go hiking and hamming.
We're the largest wildlife refuge in New Mexico, about 230,000 acres. Used to be a Spanish land grant and then a Mexican land grant, and then from the 1930s to the 1960s it was a cattle ranch. And when the ranch owner coming to the end of his life, he wanted to save it as a wild area, and so it took a little while, but they worked through the Nature Conservancy, and this became a wildlife refuge in 1973. And we're celebrating our 50th anniversary this year as a wildlife refuge. Huge as it is, most of it is closed to the public for research. And we have a University of New Mexico field station that's located here on the refuge, and there are 75 permanent, ongoing projects every year here, and then I have no idea, countless annual projects. Anybody in the nation who wants to work on desert ecology or anything out here could put in and do a research project out here. We've got stuff on lizards and butterflies and rainfall and plants and rocks and all kinds of good stuff. We have a great system of trails here, very hikeable trails, from one that's a quarter of a mile long, paved sidewalk. We have a mile-long nature trail. We have the Mesa View Trail, the Ladrones Trail, great trails to get you up on the mesa and see the countryside. And I can't do that. And
it says we allow dogs.
We allow dogs, yeah, on leashes.
On
So dogs can be out here. But great hiking. This time of year, you want to get out early before it gets too hot. In the back country, we have drinkers and natural springs, and we have cameras at a number of those that photograph the wildlife that's out there. We've got quite a bit of wildlife on the refuge. It just doesn't come in where people can see.
Sure.
So we invite people to come out, hike our trails. We have trails also down in the wetlands that have some decent birding. Pretty nice down there along the Rio Grande. But just a great place to visit and enjoy.
Another interesting thing to note is that there's an effort underway to repopulate the Mexican gray wolf in the desert southwest. At Sevilleta, Mexican gray wolves are being bred and prepared for release back into the wild. QRZ is the frequency in use, please. Kilo 4 Hotel November Hotel. QRZ is the frequency in use, please. Kilo 4 Hotel November Hotel. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 4 Hotel November Hotel, Park Kilo 0462, calling CQ POTA and listening.
November 5, Mike Golf.
November 5, Mike Golf, 5 and 9 into 0462, QSL.
QSL, I had you 5-4, Arkansas.
Roger, thank you for Arkansas, and thank you for hunting.
7-3, thanks for the activation.
7-3, this is K4 H&H, Park Kilo 0462, QRZ.
Alpha Charlie 0, Charlie uniform.
Alpha Charlie 0, Charlie uniform, 5 and 9 into Park Kilo 0462.
QSL 5 and 9er in 0462. You're also 5 and 9er Missouri, Mike Oscar.
Oh, Roger, thank you for Missouri. Thank you for the 5-9 running QRP here. So glad this thing's getting out.
QRP, how many watts?
Running 10.
QSL 10 watts, thank you, and 7-3.
7-3, thanks for hunting.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet X-ray Victor.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet X-ray Victor, 5 and 7, 57, Park Kilo 0462, QSL.
QSL, your mother.
Roger, thank you for the 3-3 Minnesota, and thank you for hunting today. November 8, Sierra Charlie Mike, got you about a 3x2, about a 32 here in the Park Kilo 0462, QSL. Roger, got the call corrected. November 8, Sierra Charlie Oscar. Thank you for West Virginia, and I will take that signal report. I'm running QRP. Hey, thanks for hunting, and thanks for hanging in there with me. Okay, so the antenna went down again, and where there's a ham, there's a way. So to keep my carbon 6 mast up, what I have done is I took the carbon 6 bag, I hope you can see that there, and use that to tie the base of the mast to keep it up. So hopefully we won't have any more problems with the antenna coming down. Park Kilo 0462. The antenna works a little better when your mast doesn't fall over. So the antenna is back off the ground. QRZ.
Alpha Charlie 5, Oscar Charlie.
Hey, there you are. Yeah, Alpha Charlie 5, Oscar Charlie. I've got you a 5 and 9, and you were in the log. I lost you there, and I because I turned around and my mast had fallen over and the antenna was laying on the ground. But I've got you in the log, 5 and 9, QSL.
QSL, when is that happening? 5-1 Arkansas, 5-1 Arkansas.
Roger, sir. Thank you for the 5-1 Arkansas. Thanks for hunting.
73.
73. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 4 Hotel, November Hotel at Park Kilo 0458, calling CQ Parks on the air and listening.
November 0, America, India, Echo.
November 0, America, India, Echo, 5 and 9. Nice signal in a Park Kilo 0458 today, QSL.
Oh, QSL, thanks for the nice report there. You're doing a 5 and 4, South Dakota, Sugar Delta. Over.
Oh, Roger, I'll take a 5 and 4 to South Dakota all day. I'm running QRP out here, so I will certainly take 5 and 4, QSL.
Oh, QSL, doing a nice job there. The band's pretty rough. Take care.
Thank you, will do, and thanks for hunting. Thanks for being out there. 7-3.